Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn verb in the parts of speech. Okay, what is the verb you learnt in the your high school level? Can you say anyone? Okay, verb. A verb is a word that describes an action, a state, position, a process, or an experience. Verb. Simply, you should remember a verb is the action word, like it tells an action. So, in deep, the verb describes an action and state, position, and process or an experience. Okay, here I given the example. Example: Ramu was always in a good mood. Ramu was always in a good mood. Here, what is the verb? Tell was. Was is the verb. Next, he looked a natural motivator. A natural motivator. I went to the collector. I have a car. Here was, looked, went, have. These are the verbs. Here the first one was indicates state. Looked also indicates state. He was always in a good mood. In which state he was? Okay, in good mood. The next one, looked is the state. Went here action. And have is the possession. Okay, this is the verb definition. Here examples. Next, the process is verb normal or usual position. One verb is always in the after the subject in a statements. We have four types of sentences: assertive or statements, interrogative, questions, or imperative, or the fourth one is exclamation. In the assertive or statements, the verb is always after the subject. The general structure in English, subject plus verb plus object. This is the structure of English. And subject plus object plus verb. This is the structure of Telugu. Rama killed Ravana in English. In Telugu, Ramudu Ravanuni champenu. Verb we used at the end of the sentence. So, the verb place is always in the statements after the subject. Here I given the example. The racing car rounded the car. What is the subject here? The racing car is the subject. Rounded is the verb. After the verb, subject, very good. Next, the bell rang at 8 o'clock. Here, the bell is the subject. Rang is the verb. Okay. Next, the man in the red coat is my uncle. Here the man in the red coat, until here subject. Is the verb. Okay. The verbs different forms here. When we added some suffixes, ing suffixes, s suffixes, walks, and ed suffixes and en. For example, here when we add the ing, walking. General the base form is the walk. If you add the ing form, walking. This is called V4 form, playing. Next, s suffixes. If you add s suffixes, walk become walks. Third person singular, when we use as a subject, we used s form and place. Next, ed suffixes. V3 form in the ed. Walked, played. En, darken, weaken. Generally, verb forms when we learning the tenses, V1, V2, 3 form. For example, walk or walks is the V1 or V1S, the first one. V2 is the ed form, walked. V3 is the also here V2 form and V3 form. And walking, this is the first present participle V4 form. Okay, these are when we learn, when we are learning the tenses, we learn this. Okay, next, kinds of verbs. Basically, verbs are two types: main verbs and auxiliary verbs. Main verbs are called lexical verbs again, and these auxiliaries are called helping verbs. Okay, main verbs are two types, transitive and intransitive. Here, drink, read are the transitive verbs. Sleep, live, etc. intransitive verbs. Here, she drinks milk. She drinks milk. Here, she drinks milk means here when the statement have the object, then when the verb have the object, those are called transitive verbs. These have the passive forms. Okay, she drinks milk every morning. So this is the drink is the transitive. Here she is sleeping well. Subject, but there is no object. So this is called intransitive verb. Intransitive verbs have no passive forms. Okay. Next, auxiliary verbs are helping verbs 24 in number. These are modal auxiliaries, 13 primary auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries are will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, and must, used to, dare, ought, or need. Next, primary auxiliaries are again three types: be forms, and do forms, and have forms. Be forms are 5 in number: is, am, are, was, were. Do forms are 3: do, did, does. Have forms are 3: have, has, had. These 5 plus 3, 3, 6. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 11 plus 13, total 24. These are the auxiliary verbs. Okay, here we have some example mentioned. Naresh works very hard. Here works is the verb. Which type of verb here? Main verb. So this is a main verb. He does not argue with anybody. Here does is the primary verb. They have a lot of homework. Here have is the primary verb. Have form. And he should be promoted very soon. Here should is the modal auxiliary. She has a modern car. Has also primary verb. Okay, this is about verb in deep. Okay, in the examination point of view, like this, the underlined part, we have to identify which verb, which type of verb. They don't ask, just what is the verb. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubts, okay, and thank you.